Hello my friends and welcome to another Affinity photo tutorial. This time it's all about the beauty of a smile and how to get those teeth a little bit whiter. This was a highly requested topic. If you want to suggest a topic and want to have more of a say in what I do next, how about heading over to Patreon and becoming one of my supporters? Okay, let's get started. The first thing you want to make sure is that the photo layer is set to pixel. It's over here. If this says image, right click on it and go down to Rasterize, which is here, Rasterize. So it is a pixel layer. The next thing we want to do is to make a copy of this layer. So we click over here, select the rectangular Mark You tool and just select the mouth area and we copy it, paste it and deselect with Ctrl D, and then we can zoom in and you can see the teeth are not really perfect for a nice photo, so we have to improve that a little bit. Right now we have just the teeth, so we click on the teeth layer here. Let's rename this in teeth, so teeth. Okay, there we go. And you could now use the selection brush, but I would really suggest that you click and hold on this tool here and select the freehand selection tool to be a bit more precise, because there's a lot of things going on in here. So you want really just to select the teeth. So just go around these areas here and you can always improve it afterwards. By subtracting something, adding something, so no problem. If you're a bit shaky with your mouse control, there's no problem in that. There we go. Okay. Down here, you see I get a little bit shaky at the end. We will improve that in a second. So now I can go up here and click on Add. So we will add a little bit here and maybe a little bit here. The rest looks okay. This is good. This is maybe we add a bit here, add a bit here. Oh, this is a bit more. Okay. This could use a little bit more also. There we go. Maybe a bit here too. Okay. So I think we are done. The next, maybe I want to improve this a little bit. There we go. Very nice. Subtract it a little bit. Okay, perfect. So the next thing we are going to do is we go to select and then to feather. So to make the selection a bit smoother, I will use 1 pixel for this. There we go, 1 pixel. And then with the teeth layer selected, click down here on mask layer. So this is creating a mask for us. And now we can go Ctrl D to deselect. And you can see now it's just the teeth that we have left. And now it's all very easy. Click on the teeth layer, not on the mask, like this, and select screen. There we go. So this is already white, but we need to improve it a little bit more because you can see there is still some brown spots around the edges. We don't want to have that. So with this layer selected, click on adjustment and then click on black and white. So we reduce the color. If it's like this, so everything is selected and everything is black and white, just use the adjustment, drag the adjustment layer onto the teeth layer like this. And now we have the opportunity here to refine our effect by setting the black and white settings. Don't go too extreme so everything is blown out and there is no values left. Go where you can still see the values, but at the same time the brown spots are basically covered or reduced. Let's go like this. Okay. The next thing we need to do is we select the pixel layer again, and now with opacity, we can choose how much or how little we want to have. Don't go too extreme. Let's look at the full picture, Ctrl 0. This looks too much. It looks unnatural. So we reduce the opacity. And you can see if I go to 0, there's nothing. So I can go to the point where I feel, okay, this is good enough, where I'm happy with it. And everybody has a different opinion, a different kind of choice on what kind of whiteness they want to see in the teeth. Let's leave it at that. And I think it's a nice, maybe reduce it a little bit. It's a nice value. It looks a lot better than the original. So here are the original teeth. And this looks a lot more healthy and happy and interesting. So it's a very nice and easy and fast technique to improve the teeth in a photo. And with the hand selection, it's also very precise. Okay. This was a very short video, and because it's an easy effect, but it's very effective and very nice. And okay, thank you for watching. Thank you for suggesting the topic. Write topics in the comments if you want. And like I said, if you want to have more of a say in what comes next, you can also support me on Patreon. Thank you. See you in the next video and have a nice day.